Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, AnjelMae. For today's video, I'm going to do a pink and purple cut crease. But before that, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button on to be updated every time I upload a new video. Nice ko na yung kilay ko offline. So, ang susunod na gagamitin ko ay itong Face Studio Prime para sa aking primer. Next, ipaprime ko na tong aking lid. Gagamitin ko tong BYS All Day Wear Concealer. And then next, I will be using my colorboard palette for my transition shade. I will be using this light pinkish purple here. My Jaclyn Hill palette, and I will use this dark violet shade here. Same palette. I'm going to use this black shade here. Is my favorite part, cut crease. Gagamit ako ng makeup cleanser tsaka Q-tip. So next, talagyan ko na siya ng concealer, yung aking cut crease. Gagamit ako nitong concealer tsaka next, I will be using my exotic pop palette, and I'm going to use this silver shade. For my eyeliner, I will be using my L'Oreal Profound Black. And then next, I'm going to do a violet liner. Next is foundation. I will be using my Revlon Insta Filter in the shades of 240. Sobrang puti na talaga ng mga shades na to kasi nung binili ko tong shades na to, maputi pa ako. Nag-looks white pa ako noon. Kaya yung binigay sa akin noon ng mga sales lady dun sa SM, yung shades ko talaga. Pero parang ito yung shades ko noon. Sobrang puti pala. Ngayon, bumalik na yung yung dati kong kulay. Kaya sobrang na nyo. Sobrang puti. Ayan, tapos nasa foundation. Next naman ay concealer. Gagamitin ko tong favorite ko. L'Oreal Infallible. The shades of 322. Lang natin yung under eye. Gamitin ko tong L'Oreal Light na loose powder. Contour, gagamitin ko tong Easy Contour. Favorite ko ang Easy Contour. And then this, yung light shades, mas light na shade para sa dito. And then sa ilong naman, gagamitin ko tong darker shade. Ito. Next is mascara. I will be using my False Push-Up Drama of Maybelline. Next is blush on. I will be using my Revolution Soft Shimmer Blusher Peach. Bronzer. I will be using my B Beauty bronzer. You got to let it go. And then next is highlighter. I will be using my Barry Cosmic Lights palette and will use my favorite shade, this shade. For my lip liner, lip liner Essence Lip Contour. And for my lipstick, I will be using my Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color. And last but not the least is falsies. I will be using my Glam by Manicare. Number 35 siya na. So yan, tapos ng aking makeup look for today. I will be back for my final look. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please let me know by clicking the like button, subscribe if you want more from my channel, and click the bell button on to be notified every time I upload a new video. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Bye!